By 1917, Britain faced a new enemy beneath the waves. German U-boats were sinking ships faster than they could be replaced. Food, fuel, and supplies were disappearing into the Atlantic. The nation desperately needed a way to hear the invisible enemy. The Royal Navy already had hydrophones, underwater microphones, but they barely worked. The engines, propellers, and vibrating hull created overwhelming noise. The greatest obstacle wasn't hearing the submarine. It was silencing their own ship. Rutherford approached the problem like a physicist. Instead of asking how to build a louder detector, he asked how to eliminate the noise itself. His team redesigned the hydrophone, studied underwater sound, and even explored ways to isolate the ship's own vibrations before they reached the listener. For the first time, the faint rhythm of a submarine's propellers emerged from the chaos. What had once been hidden beneath the sea could now be detected by trained listeners. Improved hydrophones spread across Britain's patrol fleet, becoming an important weapon in the fight against German U-boats. A scientist famous for revealing the atom had quietly helped Britain hear an enemy no one could see.